They don't even have plastic bags at Whole Foods. Like, when you go in there, you see white people. Like, bitch, I shop around white people. Bitch, I'm white. I don't go in the hood with black people. Now, I got a couple black family members, but I don't deal with black people like that. Like, I like to be cashy around cashy bitches. And I love being white. I don't care. Y'all probably mad because I'm white and cashy. I got a little Crisco in here. My stomach hurt. Let me get up. B. A. D. D. Y. What do that spell? 21 baby. We bring you to the house. Squad, squad, gang, gang. Bitch, we bout bang, bang. Y'all ain't know I used to be on the cheerleading team. 8th grade, I was on the cheerleading team. Oh, I need some rice. I need some water in my rice for a burn, bitch. Woo! It's gonna burn. I feel good. I got onion and some potatoes. I took some napkins. I went to the food department right there and got a couple napkins, bitch. I should have got some more. Next time I'm gonna get a stack of them. But that man was standing right there. I gotta put these potatoes up. Sorry if I'm walking around like pumpkin. My stomach hurt. I got some apples. I'm put this in the apple bin. Ooh. Yep. Got some soy milk in the refrigerator. Also have a piece of garlic and a lime. Cashew bitch. I got some bananas. A cashew bitch got some cheese. A cashew bitch got some peppers and a tomato. I put them all in the same bag because the tomato was cheaper than the bell pepper. So I wanted her to think that I had all tomatoes. I got some ground beef and some lettuce. Hey y'all, guess what? I came up with a little scheme. Now, I was thinking about, wait, I gotta hurry up for the pan burn. I'm about to put this ground beef in the pan. What seasoning should I put on it? Oh, what am I doing? Oh yeah, I need a knife. A knife, I need a knife. My grandma gave me a knife, y'all. I got a knife. Oh, Hold on, I'm gonna just turn it off for a second. What seasonings do I need to put on here? On this ground beef? Salt, pepper, seasoned salt. She got money? Oh, no, I don't got no money, man. I done spent it all. Y'all always saying I got money like I don't have an addiction. Bitch, that's motherfucking addicts can't keep no money in our pocket. Why y'all know me? Oh, she got money. Don't say nothing. Bitch, she smoked it. Send more. With your mad ass. Oh, that was so nice of you, Nika. Oh, I'm gonna eat your ass, girl. Look what she done sent me. Look what she done sent me. Oh my gosh. Give me your mama number. I'm gonna let her know I'm smoking her daughter money up. Miss Naniko sent me $1.74. And I hope you're not trying to say I'm not worth $2. That better be your last. Oh, Miss Ronnie is back. Miss Ronnie, I have smoked up your whole paycheck. I'm proud of myself. Oh, now somebody else acting cashy. Oh, now we got somebody acting cashy. I know she ain't sent 50. Let me check. I bet. Nope, it's Miss Ronnie again. It's Miss Ronnie again. Miss Ronnie always best. What do you just send me 3 cash apps. Miss Niecy! Miss Niecy is here. She cashed at me every day. I smoked her life away. I love you. I bet nobody will send me. What's that, man? Did I eat yesterday? I'm hungry. Am I going through menopause? I think I'm going through menopause. Menopause. Whatever it's called. Bitch, I'm going through that. I'm hot. Whew. I think that's what it is. I ain't come on my period. My stomach hurt. I'm hungry as hell. I'm sweating. Whew. Tired. Whew. Am I going through menopause? Who just sent me all that? Who is sending me all that paycheck? Keep it up and I'm going to smoke your life away. Just the way I like it. Thank you. Oh, she's acting cashy. She sent me $1. Mrs. Shanika, I'm going to smoke your shit up. Miss Simone. Not you acting cashier to Miss Shanika. Miss Shanika, you got some competition in. I bet you won't compete with her. I bet y'all won't compete and see who gonna keep sending. Y'all, I bet let's still have a competition. I'm gonna say going $1, then y'all send one. I'm gonna say going $2. If y'all can afford 2, send 2. And if y'all can afford, I'm gonna say $3, going 3, going 1, going 5, then $4, and then we gonna keep going up. If y'all can afford to send each time, then we gonna know who the cashiest bitch is. Now watch this. I'm gonna cut my food up. I'm depending on y'all. I'm trying to see who cashy here. $1 going once, going twice, going 3. No, going. Wait, what is it? Ooh. Ooh, yay. Ooh, yay. Oh, oh, what? You playing the game wrong. Stop sending money, bitches. I'm on $1. Thank you. Miss Angela, she said, I'm her favorite. I'm gonna lick your vagina, bitch. She done sent me $5. Ooh, not Thomas is here acting cashy. Not Thomas is here. What's your Mrs. Danny Thomas? That's the cashiest bitch. Hold on. Let's play the game. Cash up $1. Who has $1? Going 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So $2. Who has $2? $2 going once, twice, 3 times. Who has $2? $2. Is I'm doing it right? $3. Sin. I'm depending on y'all to play this game, bitch. Thank you. Destiny, she sent in the $1. That's the cashiest bitch with $1. Okay. We don't have nobody competing with you. Miss Raven has sent in $2. Okay, now that's the cashiest bitch so far. Miss Raven, $3. Let's go. $3. Once, twice. Let's get it. Who got $3? $3 going 1 time, 3 times. Yay! Thank you. Let's see what they sent. Oh, we got competition. Oh, y'all gonna have to go battle each other. Oh, not y'all gonna have to battle each other. Wait, y'all playing the game wrong, bitch. Why you send 30? I didn't never say send $3.50. Play the game right. No, stop sending. Play the game right. Oh. Tierra, I'm going to smoke your money up. Thank you. Okay, so nobody's playing the game. Miss Pressure, I'm going to smoke y'all money up. Y'all deserve getting y'all money smoked up. Y'all couldn't follow instructions. Y'all deserve this. Miss Nisi, I'm going to smoke your money up for the 5th time today. And about the 100th time this week. Miss Destiny, I am going to smoke your money up, ma'am. Look like you already smoking your own money up. Not you look like me, bitch. Oh, no. You cute. Okay. Miss Destiny, I'm going to smoke your money up. I love you. Oh, my God. We got a cashy bitch. Who just sent that? Let me not go out of order. Oh, we got a cashy bitch here. We got another. She sent me $3.50. Thank you, Miss Christie. I'm gonna eat your ass. He deserve an ass he ate. Not you acting too cashy. Not Destiny has sent more money. Miss Destiny has sent us some more money. I am gonna smoke your life away, ma'am. Thank you. Now, Miss Anika, I want to give you the crown. I want to give you the award. Even though Miss Ronnie and Mrs. Nisi cashed at me about $300 each this week, and Miss Denise. Nobody has sent 10 all at one time. You get the motherfucking cashy bitch crown. Nobody has sent 10 at one time. And I dare somebody to challenge you. I dare somebody to challenge you with that $10 and send all at once. That's what I want to see. You are doing good, Miss Anika. You are doing so good in life. Keep going, y'all. Oh, not my cashy bitch here. She said, give me that old ass edible. Bitch, I threw that in trash. I threw that in trash. Not you acting, bro. You want my leftovers, bitch. We got a cashy bitch in the house. Miss Alexis has sent me $1. Not you acting cashy, bitch. With your kids' chip money. You know your kids gonna be mad. And we are at $115. That's exactly what I like to see. My stomach don't even hurt no more. Y'all just made my stomach stop hurting from all that money. Now, I think y'all gonna have to continue sending money or my stomach might hurt again. Not you sending beans, catchy bitch. Not you sending beans. You look catchy, bitch. I'm about to cut. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna smoke your money up. I'm going to be cooking something. I'm not sure what it is because I just created this. How do I do this? I gotta peel this? I'm not supposed to peel this, am I? Because it's in sections. Am I supposed to peel this? I'm supposed to like tear a section off? This is garlic. I'm not supposed to cut this, girl. You don't cut garlic. Oh, I do cut it? Huh? You're saying, yeah, now what? Peel it. You sure? Girl, I'm only using a piece. I don't want to use the whole thing. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Wait, huh? Wait. Whoop. This is what garlic looks like? I've never seen no garlic like this. Why it's like that? This don't never be around it. And why you got so many of them in here? This looks weird. Okay, anyways. I just came up with this ingredient meal in my head. Ooh, I'm hungry. So y'all can try it out too. Thank you. Y'all can cook along with me right now if you want to try this, or just jot down the ingredients that I'm cooking. Oof. Now, today I have 1 piece of minced clove garlic, 1/2 diced onion, 1 green pepper, 1 bell pepper, and what I'm going to do is cut them really small, like this. Then I'm gonna feed some of this outside to people. Sorry, y'all. I just remembered. I was talking to my man, and I told him that I was done with him, and I was never gonna contact him again. And he said, "Okay, like nigga, why the fuck you ain't trying to chase me?" Oh, hold on. Oh, my rice. Oh, our rice is doing good. Our rice is doing good, ladies. Maybe I should put some of this in the rice. No, I don't know. Thank you. I'm gonna eat your ass. I'm gonna eat your ass. Thank you. Does that look good? I might have actually put too much water. Maybe I should pour some water out. I guess. Let me do something with my food. I wish I had something to pick this up with. It's hot. Ooh, wish I had something to pick this up with. Hold on. Hold on, bitch. Hold on. Woo! Give me a second.